Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you quickly download EAFC Sports 24 on your mobile. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is just a quick tutorial. So all you have to do is search in your Play Store or App Store depending on what device you have, EA Sports FC, and there as you can see, this is officially the EA Sports FC Mobile 24. So you just have to install it and just follow the instructions. But if you want an older version of this, you can download it as well by the use of this Chrome. Go over to your browser, any browser you have, and go over to EA FC24 Mobile. Search for that, and go over to the up to down link, and there you can actually download older versions of this. And all you have to do is follow the instructions on how to install this. So for example, you want this one, and all you have to do is click on download, and you should be good to go, guys. So just follow the instructions for this, so it will be downloaded for you, and there. So okay guys, you have to click on download anyway, and that is all for today on how you can download this app. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.